Good morning, dear student. Yesterday we have seen a last compound's name with benzene ring, that was COOH group, so benzoic acid. Benzene, and on first carbon here it is carboxylic acid group, so it was given benzoic acid. Now with one COOH group, if on the ortho position one more COOH group is there, then this compound is termed as phthalic acid. Same way, two carboxylic group, but on the para position opposite of each other, then it is terphthalic acid. And here, this we have seen yesterday, benzene ring along with OH group, it is phenol. And on the para position of the phenol is nitro group, that is nitrophenol. And SO3H, it is a sulfonic acid, but it is sulfonic acid is attached to the benzene ring, so it is benzosulfonic acid. There are still variety of and varied nature, behavior as well as functional group attached with the benzene ring, but almost in the 11th standard course, these are the few aromatic compounds which will come across. Now, in functional group naming, 2-3 in the list we have left out for the naming. So, the naming of organic compound having functional group ether, that is oxygen, and on either side alkyl chain, nitro group NO2, and amine group, that is NH2. In naming ether, when the compound is having O as a functional group and on either side alkyl group is there, then it is ether. Ether can take prefix as well as suffix. When it takes prefix, it is alkoxy, and when it takes suffix, it is ether. The name given with the term of the suffix ether is the common name, and alkoxy will be the IUPAC name. Let us see the example. See here, CH3OCH3. On either side of oxygen is the methyl group, and here both the group of methyl, right? So what we will take as a prefix, if we are considering, then this is only one carbon, this is only one carbon, so one carbon attached with oxygen group, so this will be the methoxy prefix, methoxy methane, or both the side methyl, so dimethyl ether. So dimethyl ether will be the common name, and methoxy, oxygen with carbon 1, taking this complete as one of the ether group, it will be methoxy methane. Let us see one more example. See here, CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH3. Right? So if we consider this, then in a chain, it is only one carbon. But here if we consider it is 1, 2, 3. Right? So oxygen, when attached with methane group, that is methyl group, in ether group, if this is taken first as a prefix, then this will be methoxy 1, 2, 3 propane, or methyl propyl ether, right? Methyl propyl ether. What about this C? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So longest chain or the parents chain is 5. So we will consider this along with the functional group. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and O. So butoxy, but and oxy prefix, butoxy pentane, or butyl pentyl ether. Clear? Butyl pentyl ether. So this is how we are able to give the names to ether. If the compound is nitro, then it will take prefix nitro, right? CH3, CH2, NO2. So nitro group is present, 2 carbons, so eth, and nitro will take the prefix, so it is nitroethane. Same way here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On first carbon is nitro. Here also on first carbon. So you can write nitro eth 1A. Here we can write nitropentane, or we can also write 1-nitropentane, and one more way is nitropent 1A. Actually this way 1-nitropentane is little old fashioned. Actually I should say when we were studying we were putting the number here in front, but nowadays in a modern it is put in between nitropent 1O. Clear? Or just on first carbon if the group is there, then you may write directly nitropentane, nitropent 1ane and 1-nitropentane. This is ane, ANE. Right? Yesterday one mistake I have done, 1,2-diol it written. It is actually 1,3-diol in one of the group. So find it out. One or two students that they have already found it out and they have reminded me. You all others, please find it out. Next is CH3, CH3. 1, 2, 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3 from either side. Nitro compound is on the second. So 2-nitropropane. Right? Now here one CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, 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 CH3. 7. And if from this side alkyne, then it is on third carbon. If from this side alkyne, then it is on fifth carbon. So we will have to go from left side because lowest locus. So 3-nitroheptene. Now one more group, that is amine group. For giving amine, for primary amine if you write as normal functional group like that, it is okay, no problem. Primary amine, that is 1 degree amine. You may write number, you may not write number. It doesn't matter. But for secondary amine and tertiary amine that means on either side of amine group, alkyl group or other substituent is attached. In tertiary amine, on all three sides the attachment is there. So while writing secondary amine and tertiary amine, numbering is not written. Instead of it, 1 degree amine, root word plus amine, that is written. In 2 degree amine, 2 degree if it is there, then we are writing N. Then what is attached to alkyl to N, that we are writing. Then the root word of the parent chain and amine. And for 30 degree, we will write N, then the alkyl which is attached to the N, parent chain's root word and the amine. So this is little different than rest of the others. Just pay attention. For primary amine, no problem if you write number, it's okay. But in secondary and tertiary, we are not writing numbers. We are writing N and NN. So here it is example of primary amine, CH3NH2. So 1 carbon and amine group is there. So methane amine. Now here see 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon. Or we considered amine group is on this carbon, so it is 1, 2, 3. And on first carbon amine group is there, so propane 1 amine. And from here 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3 similar, so propane 2 amine. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So attachment is on second, so it will be butane 2 amine. Clear? This is about primary. Let us see for the secondary how the name is given. Secondary, we will not write the numbers. See here, CH3, CH2, NHCH3. Clear? Now on this side also attachment is there, on this side also attachment is there. So with amine, methyl is there, only 1 carbon and here 2 carbons, so this will be the parent chain. Right? So if it is the parent chain, then and methyl, ethane and whole we will consider amine and suggest that it is the secondary amine. Clear? Now see in the second group here, NH is here, on either side the alkyl group is there. Here how many carbon? 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. So this is ethyl, this is ethyl. While writing the name, what we will write? N ethyl ethane amine. Next time you won't write ethyl, it will be ethane amine. One more example, NH CH2CH3. Here only 1 and 2 carbon, here 1, 2, 3 carbon. So now N-ethyl propane amine or ethyl propane amine and propanamine, right? And we are supposed to write here only, so N-ethyl propanamine. Don't take N here with propanamine, right? Now let us see for the tertiary amine. On 3 sides attachment is there, so it is tertiary. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? Now see here, if we consider this N with this carbon, or this N with this carbon, this N with this carbon, all are 1 carbon, so we will consider main is methane amine. But what will be the prefix taken here? Here on N methyl group, so NN 1 and 2 dimethyl methane amine. Clear? This is methyl, so it won't be easily understood. Let us see these examples. N CH3 and CH2CH3 and CH2CH3. So if we consider along with N the more number of carbon than this or this, both are the same. But it is which group? Ethyl group. So if we consider this as a parent chain root word, then what is left here? One is ethyl and one is methyl. So alphabetically ethyl will come first. So N-ethyl and methyl, both N-ethyl and methyl, because E comes first then M, and ethane amine. Clear? One more example, here it is. And CH2CH3, CH2CH3, CH2CH3. Like methyl, all are ethane group. So if we consider this, then this is also the same, this is also the same. So here what we will take? N, this N and this N, diethyl, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, so ethyl. But both the sides ethyl, so diethyl, and even this is ethane amine. Clear? N diethyl ethane amine. Clear? So these were the 3 functional groups which we have not practiced. So today we have just gone through it, and now we will do some examples of giving the name, right? So dear student, here I have given some structures, and we are supposed to give the IUPAC name of the following organic compounds. But before that, we will go through the preferential order, because in between in the yesterday's video I have given you the preference order. But in that, not overall order was given, only the functional group was given. What about the alkane and alkyne? That I have not included. So here overall preference order is written. First is carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid. Then here I have written, this was left out. So carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, esters, amide, cyanide, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, amine, ether, alkene, alkyne, nitro group, halogen, and alkyl. Right? In yesterday's video, preference order was given for functional group. There I think so, alkane, alkene and alkyne was not considered. So today, overall, that means all I have given, so that it will be easy for us to give the names. Right? Because when only single bond, double bond, triple bond is there, then that rules we have learned, that if double and triple bond is there, first preference will always go to double bond. But here, if double bond is also there, functional group is also there, then which group will be considered first? That is why overall preference order is written once again here. Now see here this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. If this side also 6, this side also 6, but attachment from here, if I will say it is on 5th carbon and here it is on 2nd carbon, so I will have to give lowest locus. So this side I will consider. So on 2nd position, what is there? Chlorine. Now when chlorine is there, it will take prefix chloro. Halogen group will take prefix fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. So if Cl chloro, Br bromo, I iodo, and F fluoro. So here on 2nd position chlorine, so 2 chloro hexane, right? Let us see the next. CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, double bond CH2, and here OH. Now what to consider? We have to consider double bond as well as alcohol group. So out of these two, double bond and OH, as per the preference order, OH will be the more reactive than the double bond. See here, OH is greater than the double bond. So we will give the numbering towards the OH. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So total how many carbon? 5. So parent chain is spent. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4th carbon double bond is there. So 4 in. And on 2nd carbon alcohol is there. So 2 all. So what will be the total complete name? Pentane. But now double bond is there. So no in. It will be ene. And on what position the ene is there? Double bond is there. 4th position. So pent, 4 in, 2 all. Clear? The next is cyclic compound. It is cyclohexene. Benzene is cyclohexene. And if we consider no any other functional group is given, so we can consider this as the first carbon. So 1, 2 and 3. On 3rd is nitro group. So it is 3 nitro cyclohexene because double bond is present. Here also it is, see, cyclo and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also cyclohexane, but it is not hexane. Here double bond is there. If we consider OH is the main group, right? And ene, double bond is the substituent. So 1 and 2. So on 2nd carbon there is double bond. So cyclohex 2 in 1 all. That means it is hexane, but on 2nd carbon there is double bond and on 1st carbon there is alcohol. One more is CH3, CH, CH2, 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 CHO and here OH. See again two functional group, aldehyde and alcohol. So now which one is the main and which one is the substituent? So let us see here. This you have to read again and again, so you will be easily able to give the names, right? So CHO and then OH. So CHO will be the main group and OH will be the substituent. So here also CH will be the main, CHO will be the main group, OH is substituent. So numbering will start from main group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 carbon are there. And substituent group is on 6th carbon, and when alcohol takes prefix, then it will not all, but it will be hydroxy. Yesterday we have discussed this. So on 6th carbon hydroxy group, 6 hydroxy heptanal. Here one is not mentioned. As I told, on 1st carbon if group is there and if we will not mention number, no problem. So it will be 6 hydroxy heptanal or 6 hydroxy hept 1R. That also is the correct name, right? Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, right? Now if I consider from here 1, 2, 3, 4 on 4th position branch is there, and if I count from here 1, 2 on 2nd is branch is there, so I will have to go from left hand side. So here 5 parent chain carbon and on 2nd carbon branch is there, So 2, 2, this also methyl, this also methyl. So 2 dimethyl pentane. Clear? One more group of organic compound, CH triple bond C, CH2, CH2OH. Now here also see alcohol group as well as alkyne group because triple bond is there. So if we see the overall preference order, this will be the substituent and this will be the main function group. And if this is the main function group, so numbering will start from this 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 carbon, so parent chain is butane. But here on third carbon there is ine, triple bond, so it will be but 3 ine, and on first carbon alcohol, so it is 1 all. But 3 ine, 1 all. Right? The next is now C. If I consider this 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 5, 6. Now let us see one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the possibility is 4, 5, 6. But the longest is 8. So we will consider 8 as a parent chain. Now in that also see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both are 8. But if we count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is here? On fourth carbon we can see attachment. And from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On fifth carbon there is the attachment. So we will have to consider lowest low one. So it is on the third carbon. So what we will give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is on fourth carbon. Now if we see fourth carbon, then fourth carbon is having this side also attachment methyl group, this side also attachment ethyl group. So we will have to go with alphabetical order because both are different group. If both are ethyl or both are methyl, then no problem. We would have written 4,4 diethyl or 4,4 dimethyl. But here both is different. So go for alphabetical order. So ethyl will come first. 4 ethyl, 4 methyl octane. Clear? In the same way, here it is. Now see here. Here two possibilities are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And see here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is also 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both side or from any side if we consider it is maximum 8. 1, 2, 3. Straight line, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this straight line is also 8. Now what we'll have to see? The branch from the lowest position. If we consider from here 1, 2, 3, then it is on 4th, 5th, 6th. Right? If we consider from here it is 1, 2, 3. Here it is 3, 4 and 5. So that was 4, 5, 6. Here 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5 will be considered the lowest locant. But let us see even more. If we consider from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it is the attachment on second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Clear? So here we will consider this is the chain from here. So the name given here won't be considered, but name given here will be considered. Because here it is considered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if I count from here 1, 2, 3. So on second carbon, on third carbon the attachment is there. So we will have to go with the lowest only. That's why this name will not be appropriate. But this will be appropriate. So what we will have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now here on 6 what is given? 1 and 2. So diethyl, then see 2, 3, 5. Trimethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 propyl. Now as per ABCD, P comes after then MNOP. So here also we will have to write it back. So here it will be 6, 6. Diethyl, 2, 3, 5. Trimethyl, 4, that is propyl, because here 1, 2, 3 propyl, and overall is octane. Clear? So this one is the name. And here now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continuous chain 9. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attachment and 6 attachment. And if here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from here this is 5 and this is 6. But here on 5th we can see it is complex, so that structure is to be considered. Now on 5th carbon again 1 and 2 attachment is there, so it is main ethyl. And on 1st carbon methyl and ethyl both are there. So 5 into bracket 1 carbon, so 1, 1 dimethyl ethyl. Clear? What it will be? A complex chain. So on 5th position 5, 1, 1 dimethyl and 1 and 2 carbon, so ethyl. Then this is on which carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th position is ethyl and 3rd position is methyl, and total is nonene. Clear? So 5, 1, 1 dimethyl ethyl, 6 ethyl, 3 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So it will be nonene. Clear? So take care for giving the namings. Now one more. See here, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon are there total. Now from both the side, let us see where is the lowest locant. Here if we see, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here if we see, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So attachment from either side is 3, 4, 5. But here as per alphabetical, B comes first. So we will go with the B. So 3, 4 dibromo, 5 chloroheptene. Very good. Right? Clear? 3, 4 dibromo, 5 chloroheptene. Right? Here see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. Here double bond and here nitro compound. Now here we will consider that the double bond is more preferential to the nitro group. So nitro group is substituent and numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 4th is nitro and 5th. So total pentane. 4 nitro pent. 1 carbon double bond, so 1 ene. Clear? Next is 1, 2, 3 carbon, 4, 5 COOH. So oic acid main. So we will start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on 3rd carbon there is the attachment and it is CH3 methyl. So 3 methyl, total number of carbon hex 1 and 2, second carbon it is having double bond. So 3 methyl hex 2 ene 1 oic acid. So please take care of the thing like this. 2, here you can see double bond is also there. Substituent alkyl group methyl is also there, as well as oic acid, carboxylic acid is also a functional group. Next is NH2C triple bond at C, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Now looking to this, it is C double bond O ketone group and this is triple bond, so alkyne. So first we'll go the triple bond and numbering will be from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again pentane and counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be considered here? Again amino is there. So amino will take the prefix. On fifth carbon amino, total 5 carbons of pent. On fourth carbon triple bond, that is ine, and on second it is ketone, that is one. 5 amino pent, 4 ine, and what is here? COO. So it is ketone group. Clear? 5 amino pent, 4 ine, 2 on. And one more. Here see N 1, 2, 3. Tertiary amine, all three side is attachment, so it will take N. But now here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane is the parent chain. So here attachment is methyl and ethyl. So ethyl will go first alphabetically, then methyl. So what it is here? N. But here both N are not same. So only N ethyl and methyl. And ethyl and methyl, because ABCD E will come first. So N-ethyl and methyl and hexamine. Actually it is amine, so it will take also with the parent chain. Hexamine. Here see double bond is here, triple bond is here, so preference goes to double bond. Now this 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 5 I have given for you people to practice. Don't worry, whatever you know, try to follow all the rules, recall all the rules, go all these examples in the discussion also I have given, and here also I have discussed. So try from all these bases if you are able to, and if you are not able, then also don't worry, I will help you later. By the time, thank you.